Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Guy with a Plant. This is Dennis from Singapore, and in today's plant spotlight episode, we'll be featuring a philodendron. This is Philodendron mamei. Philodendron mamei is from the family of Aroid, and the genus is of course Philodendron, which has 500 over species of plants under this genus. I got this Philodendron mamei about 3 months ago. Originally, there was only one leaf, one very big leaf. That's the original leaf. As you can see, it's quite tattered with a brown yellowing tip. I think that is probably due to I don't know, underwatering or something, but it didn't spread, so I guess it's okay. Probably just cosmetic defects. Subsequently, it gave me one small new leaf, which is really weird. It's a weird looking leaf, a little bit deformed. And then it gave me this second new leaf, which is really beautiful and blemish free. I hope you'll stay that way for a long time. And now there is another new growth point over here. So this mamei is a very fast grower. I hope he has really acclimatized to my conditions and will continue to do well for me. Just like the gloriosum or the Plowmanii, Philodendron mamei has really big heart-shaped leaves, and they also have this silver markings on the leaves. So sometimes they are known as silver cloud philodendron. And also the veins are actually quite deep, giving you a very distinct and deep pleated look. The Philodendron mamei is indigenous to the Ecuadorian rainforests. So if you give it conditions that mimic its natural environment, which is quite tropical conditions, this plant will thrive for you. And the Philodendron mamei is actually one of the easiest philodendrons that I keep. Just like most of its philodendron cousins, they need warm and humid conditions. The plant comes in a potting medium that is really quite well draining. There is potting soil with cocoa chips and leca, as well as some perlite, and I can see that it is well draining because every time I water it, the water just comes through pretty fast. So I guess this I'll keep it in this pot for the time being until it grows bigger. Then I'll repot it. When it comes to the light that I'm giving it, it is sitting just behind the balcony that receives morning sun, so it has really a lot of bright indirect light. When it comes to the watering, I water it maybe every 5 to 7 days. Because the potting medium is really quite loose, I'm not worried of overwatering it. So one thing I noticed about this plant is that it doesn't like to dry out. So keep it a little bit on the moist side, but of course never let it sit in water. Like most philodendron, they don't like to be overwatered. The roots will rot, but since the medium is really quite loose, I water it almost 5 days. Definitely doesn't get any direct sunlight on it. So so far it's been doing well. If it grows a little bit bigger, I will repot it. The humidity level here is not exactly very high. It ranges from the 40s to 60s to 70s. On average, I would say the humidity level is about 50 something percent to 60%. Not extremely high, but I guess it will do. It seems to be okay for the mamei. And when it comes to fertilizing, I have not fertilized it yet. I guess the next time I repot it, or maybe the next watering, before the next watering, I will put in some slow release fertilizers. I use this brand called NutriCoat, which is from Japan. It's supposed to be a better slow release fertilizer. Yeah, so I guess I'll do that. And because I think it received quite bright light, I can fertilize this more often. But of course, if I use a slow release fertilizer, then I will change it. I will update it every 3 months. Yeah. Okay, obviously this is still a very new plant, a very young plant under my care. So I will not propagate it anytime soon. I'll wait till the new leaves are mature, and then I'll try to repot it and then cut it up, because there are actually basically 2 stalks. One is the original leaf, and the other one is the new growth. So I probably can separate them and make it into potentially 2 plants or 3 plants. Yeah, we shall see. But it will not be anytime soon, maybe 6 months down the road or longer. We'll see how is the growth pattern of this mamei. And yeah, hope to see more new mamei babies soon. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like contents like this, plenty contents, I do hope you can subscribe to my channel, and of course to like and comment on the videos. This will help me greatly to grow the channel. As you can see, I'm a very new channel, and I'll need all the support I can from you guys to build this planty community. Till next time, I'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye!